Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Gene, and today I decided to record this video and share with you something that changed the game for me in digital marketing. After almost giving up on this market, I can now say that I have found a solid strategy that is bringing excellent returns through video ads. It taps into a virtually untapped source of traffic, making it a true blue ocean strategy. I'm going to touch on several key points and try to explain as much as possible about how this strategy works and why I think it's so great. Therefore, I strongly recommend that you follow until the end of the video, right? I'm going to quickly show here on my screen my result for today on one of the platforms I work on. I'm currently earning an average of $1,000 a day, which I used to think was possible, but not in as little time as it has been. To facilitate the explanation, I will demonstrate it for you here on the screen. I want to talk to you about a system called Profit Singularity, which has artificial intelligence as its main ally and, in addition to excellent earnings, makes it possible to create passive income. One more important thing, first of all, I left here in the video description and in the first comment the link to the free training. Until the moment I decided to record this video, there were some vacancies available by indication. Check if it is still available. So what exactly is Profit Singularity? As I mentioned, Profit Singularity is a system focused on generating consistent, passive income through affiliate marketing. Just the fact that it generates passive income is the difference from many other strategies. They focus on video ads and address a very little explored and highly profitable source of traffic, which is YouTube, and many affiliates are also having surreal results with TikTok. In addition to using an untapped traffic source, I consider the following points to be key differentiators. The use of artificial intelligence. We use software that makes the whole process more efficient, eliminating the need to appear on video or use your own voice, which has already seen results from the beginning. This software automatically writes ads and generates high-converting video ads. In short, I don't have to worry about writing ad scripts or creating highly complex videos. The software does it all for me. Unlimited scale. With the help of this software, we were able to establish a winning funnel and scale with different products and different niches. From the beginning, the training offers templates for videos, landing pages, offers, and winning ad scripts. Reliable profit source. We consider it a very efficient approach to generate consistent income. There are several mechanisms that prevent ad account termination. Currently, I already work with different types of offers. These are the main means of Profit Singularity monetization. High CPA commissions on digital and physical products. Recurring commissions from monthly subscription products. High percentage commissions on low-cost digital products. Substantial commissions on high-value offers. Guys, my goal in recording this video was to show that it really is possible to achieve significant results in affiliate marketing and that there are tools that can change the game. I tried to show here in a direct and summarized way how this strategy that I am using works. Maybe you're going through the same thing I've been through, feeling lost or discouraged with little results in digital marketing. If you want to know more about this strategy that I showed and that changed my game, you can access the free training. I left the link in the video description. Free vacancies are by indication, so I don't know if there are any available at the moment. If you liked the content of the video, leave a like. Hug.